What's up, beautiful people? Thank you for joining me, your host Andre, right here at the Live Well Network for another episode. So today is Tuesday Talks with Andre. What is the conversation going to be about today? Well, we're going to talk about how you can get six-pack abs, whether that be trying to bounce back from a pregnancy, a beer belly, or just weight gain in that area. Whatever it is that you want to do, we're going to get you right back on track to get those six-pack abs. So let's get right into it. Tip number one, do not only do abdominal workouts. 1,000 sit-ups will not get you a six-pack. 1,000 minutes of planks will not get you a six-pack. All of those things have their place once you're toning, but that is not the only thing that you can do. You can't target fat in a particular area. Therefore, you have to increase your overall body fat percentage in order to see the results in the abdominal area or any other targeted area that you're trying to lose weight in. So instead of doing 1,000 sit-ups and 1,000 planks, let's start by doing some cardio, lots of running, lots of jump rope, elliptical, things like that that are going to be high intensity and are going to help you burn those extra calories off. And then after you shed the fat, then you can start toning. Which brings me to step two. After you shred the fat, then it's time to start toning. Then you can start doing your sit-ups, your planks, your leg raises, your squats. You can use machines. You can use whatever it is that you need to do to tone that area. But again, don't overdo it and make sure you're doing the exercises the proper way. So after you shred all of that fat, tone those muscles, do those exercises, continue to do full body workouts, and you can target that area, and in no time you'll have a six-pack. Step three, nutrition. Nutrition is going to be vital for targeted any area of weight loss in general. And going back to decreasing your body fat percentage, in order to do that, you have to pretty much burn more calories than you consume. And it's also important because every calorie isn't created equally. What do I mean by that? Give up the sugary foods. I always preach about decreasing your carbohydrate intake. It's so important. You don't have to eradicate carbohydrates out of your diet altogether, but it's important that you decrease the amount of carbohydrates that you're intaking every single day because they metabolize into blood sugar, which in turn correlates with weight gain, which is counterproductive to getting your six-pack. And so in order to shred that fat, in order to build that muscle, your nutrition is going to be the underlying foundation to make all of those things possible. Tip number four, lots of protein. There's a particular formula for protein. Use this formula, plug in your personal information, find out the amount of protein that you need to take, and start consuming that every single day. Protein is vital. It's a vital amino acid. It helps to recover your muscles. It helps to keep the muscle on, because once you're doing lots of high cardio, a lot of time you burn fat and you burn muscle with it. So that protein is going to help you to retain that muscle in order to see those results that you're trying to get. Finally, last but not least, tip number five, take a break. It's so important that you take breaks because that time gives your muscle time to regenerate, to develop, to grow, and to strengthen. If you don't take a rest, your muscles never ever have time to really grow and expand, and they can't operate at their full capacity, which in turn will hold you back and hinder your results. Not saying going to the gym every day isn't going to get you results, it absolutely will, but it's important that we take breaks and that we give our body a rest. So if you are one of those people who like to go to the gym every single day like me, I recommend working on different body parts every day that you go. And so you're rotating about every 3 days the different major muscle groups that you're trying to tone, in this sense, your abdominal area. Get some rest, drink lots of water, and give yourself TLC so once you do go to the gym, you can give it everything you got. Thanks for tuning in with me for another episode right here at the Live Well Network with your favorite host, Andre. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, give a hoo-hoo, whatever you need to do. Get me out there. I enjoy making these videos so much. I enjoy engaging with you guys. Make sure you tune in with us tomorrow for Wellness Wednesdays, and I'll catch you later.